beard balm and beard butter. Let's go over the similarities and differences between these two different products. But first, if you guys could do me a favor, hit a thumbs up on the video. If you're not subscribed and you want to learn more about your beard, please consider subscribing right now. Pretty simple. Beard balm is more firm and solid than beard butter. Also, by the way, I just grabbed these two products from the shelf over here. This is not sponsored. This is not product placement. I was not paid for this. They don't know they're in this video. So just to get that out of the way real quickly here. The primary focus of a beard balm is for styling and hold. This is like a good version of a hairspray or hair gel that people commonly use on their head, but it's to get your beard locked into the style that you want. The primary focus of beard butter is for nourishment and the health of your beard. Now, there is a little bit of crossover here. Beard balm does also add some nourishment. It's not a bad thing for your beard, and beard butter does add a little bit of styling and control because it is a solid product. It's not a liquid, it's not an oil. So you do have a little bit of crossover, but we want to talk about the primary focuses here. Also, another similarities. Both of these are based on oil and butter ingredients, with the difference being that beard balm usually has a good amount of beeswax in it. Beard butter has little to no beeswax in it. And really, again, I'm going to show you guys the main difference here. Beard butter, I should be able to go in and stick my finger through pretty simply, right? You can see that difference there. I'm going to try and not make too much of a mess. Beard balm should not be as easy to go through, right? I can push here and it's going to give me a little bit of give, but not much. It's a much more solid product that you have. Another similarity between these is beard balm and beard butter, or any solid product, should be used after heat. If you use heat in your routine, in your styling, you don't want to put on balm, you don't want to put on butter before using that heat. Also, do not use both of these at the same time. It is beard oil first, followed by beard balm, or followed by beard butter, or just go with oil only. For me, I use beard butter at night for my nighttime nourishment, and I don't currently use beard balm. But if you do use beard balm, it's oftentimes during the day. Don't want to drag this out, don't want to make this too crazy. If you're looking for something to really lock in the style of your beard and you want that firm control, go beard balm. If you're looking for something that's going to make your beard feel fresh, it's going to make it nice and light, especially when you rinse it out, and maybe tame a couple of flyaways, go beard butter. What is your preference? Do you prefer beard balm? Do you prefer beard butter? Do you use both? You use balm during the day, you rinse it out and use butter at night? Or do you use neither? They're not for you. Let us know with the comment down below. And then what questions do you have? A lot of you, I have a feeling, searched for this answer. You found this video, and maybe you've already left by now. You're like, check, I know what it is. Good, thanks, man. Hit that thumbs up. But maybe you stayed and you're like, but I'm wondering about this. I am here to help. I will answer your question. Leave a comment. I will help you out. Others will leave an answer as well. Thank you guys for watching. Dan C. Bearded. Stay bearded and stay positive.